Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Monday, October 30th, 2023. It is 5:20 and 13 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, new statistics tool, and cancer research. So let's jump to it here. The scientific investigators and microbiologists say clinical trials could yield better data with fewer patients thanks to new tool. Date October 25th, 2023. Source: University of Alberta. Mathematicians have invented a new statistical tool to analyze multiple outcomes from clinical trials, replacing the 60-year-old standard tool that can only look at binary outcomes: survive, did not survive. As this will allow researchers to ask more complex research questions for trials that involve fewer patients, thereby streamlining the process of getting effective treatments to patients. The test limits researchers because it only assesses binary questions such as whether patients survived or died on the treatment. It can't handle other factors such as adverse drug reactions or qualify off measures such as being able to walk or care for yourself. The new tools allow simultaneous evaluation and visualization of multiple outcomes in one graph. Now they can capture the severity of diseases, whether they make patients sick, whether they put them in hospital, whether they lead to death, and they can capture both the rise and the fall of how patients do on different treatments. The scientific investigators added, this tool allows researchers to do a smaller, less expensive, quicker trial with fewer patients and get the overall benefit of a new treatment more rapidly out there in the world. The scientific researchers began working on the statistical tool 3 years ago when they were designing a clinical trial for a new device to prevent bed sores, which affect many patients with long-term illness. They wanted to look at how the severity of illness changed during treatment. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Nature of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.